Instagram has brought back the chronological feed. So back in 2016, just like Facebook and Twitter, Instagram started showing posts according to relevance instead of the chronological order because it claimed that users were missing up to 70% of posts in their feed. So till now, just like Facebook, Instagram has been showing you feed according to the algorithm, which decide which post will appear at the top in your feed. So essentially, you are being shown what Instagram thinks you want to see first. There's also a mix of suggested posts and ads. And some of us don't really like that, right? Now in March 2022, besides the algorithm-based feed, Instagram is giving two additional options to chronologically sort your feed: favorites and following. But what are they and how can you use them? All about that and more in this video. First up, update your Instagram to its latest version and tap on Instagram's icon at the top left corner of the screen. You will find two new options, following and favorite. When you tap on following, you will be shown posts only from the people you follow in chronological order, which means from the latest post to the oldest ones. You won't be shown suggested posts in following feed. And if you choose favorites, you can pick from certain Instagram accounts you follow and see only their posts in a separate chronological feed. You can add a total of 50 accounts as your favorites and see their posts in your favorites feed. Now these accounts will not be notified that you have added or removed them from your favorites list. You will also see a small star icon at the top right corner on the posts from your favorite accounts. Now the biggest catch here is that your main Instagram feed remains the same and following and favorites cannot be set as your default Instagram feed. So if you want to control your feed, you will have to switch between favorites and following tabs. Instagram has confirmed to Gadget360 that its main feed will stick to the non-chronological order, as its research shows that people were more satisfied with the ranked feed. So if you really want to control your feed, you will have to keep switching between favorites, following and your main Instagram feed. Also, these new feed tabs are not available on desktop currently. If you would like to know more about Instagram's algorithm, then do check the link in the description below. We have made a detailed video on that. And let us know in the comment section below what type of feed do you like.